climbing rose came, and I cannot tell which one is the top. This one. So this is the Zephirine Drouhin climbing rose that's supposed to be thornless and smell beautiful. So I ordered this from Home Depot. The box is very light. It's supposed to be bare root. My planters are not ready for these yet, so I will. But let's check it out first. So it comes packaged like this. I just want to add a little disclaimer here before I show you the actual roots I got versus what was advertised on the Home Depot website. So I bought these through Home Depot because Home Depot has a great return policy for plants. If you buy plants from Home Depot, you can return it within 1 year of getting it. So if you get something that you are disappointed with and is not as advertised, you can return it. So that's why I bought it through Home Depot. However, this is sold through a third party. It's called the National Plant Network. And as you see, this is the picture that was advertised of what the bare roots would look like. And what I'm about to show you does not look like it. However, because there are buds on it and the price point isn't too ridiculous, additionally, because of where we are in the season, it's spring, so I don't want to have to go out and find another climbing rose. So I will be keeping this, as you will see, because I will be planting it up. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so let's open one up. I should grab a bucket. So I'm excited about this because it's supposed to be thornless. Okay. Oh, there you go. You see that? Oh, let me make sure. Am I in frame? So there's one bud there. So I will be fertilizing this like crazy so I can get it to bloom this year. That is the plan. Here, let's check out this one. So this was on sale for $20-ish. And I looked at other sites and they were either sold out or they cost a lot more. Let's see. So these are smaller, but I thought these would be nice because they're thornless. Look at that. So I'm trying to figure out how I would be planting this. So I guess this one would be like this. Why does it look so weird? What is this white? Is that the roots? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm excited about this. The shoots are going down this way, but you can see over here there are more shoots. You see how this one has all these roots? This one doesn't. It's smaller, so I'm gonna have this by the house. And it'll give me enough time to build the trellis for it. Oh, over here, you can see there's shoots growing there. So they do feel wet, so I'm just going to pot these up. I don't think I'm even gonna soak it in water because it's wet already, so I'm gonna pot this up. Here, let's get my pots ready. Okay, so for my soil mix, this is soil that's been under some compost, so it's a little more fertile with and dead branches on top. So it should have a good balance of bacteria and fungi. And here's just bad soil that I've been moving around for landscaping and fixing the little bumps in on my land. This is topsoil, sphagnum peat moss, and organic matter. So I'm gonna put the roses in these planters temporarily, and underneath I just put some old yard waste from last year because it's only going to be in these pots temporarily, so the roots aren't really going to go all the way down here. but I just want to start introducing more microbes, and you get that by organic matter. So I'm gonna have that there, and then I'm gonna mix these soils and then plant the roses, which are right there. So if I didn't have the topsoil, I would have added more of the mulch that were broken down to make it a little fluffy. And the reason I want it fluffy is to help make it easier for the roots to grow and develop. But once it's in the big planters, I'm gonna have more garden soil in it, because to add more grit and substance to it. So first I'm just gonna add the bad soil, the deep on top of the okay, and then let's mix in the good soil. You can see, like, can you see the difference in the color there? Because this one, when I dug it up, like, there are all these worms. This one facing downwards. And then I am going to mulch this. Oh, let me push it up, pull it up a little. Forgot about my mulch. Careful not to. There. It's windy. Pull it up just a little bit more. You can see this is the free wood chips from last year, and you can see they have like mycelium on it. For now, I will update once anything cool happens with the rose. If you like the video, please give me a like, and if you want to follow our garden journey, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. This is my pear tree, by the way.